Hello YouTube, it's Henry's Rock here, and I haven't got a Henry today. I've got one of my Christmas presents, a Performance Power 1300 watt PP20 20 litre wet and dry vacuum. So at the moment it is in dry mode because there's the filter. I've got a bag in there. And that's the filter. I need to clean it before I do any wet vacuuming. And there's a clip on the back. Let's get back on. Yep, we got it on. Alright, so it's got 4 wheels. You can take them off, by the way. It's got a nice hose. I do use this for construction work as well. It's got like a fitting that takes it onto a sander. It's quite loud. And then I think down the back of my bed, down the side of my bed, I've got some tubes for it. I'll just get them. This one goes onto the hose. And then it's on, like that. Then it does have 2 extension tubes, but I can't find the other one right now. So here it is. And then thanks for watching. I will do a video of it wet vacuuming.